Hello children, welcome to your online class. Today we will start our fourth exercise 6.4. So before starting 6.4, firstly we will see the next property which we will use in this exercise of triangle is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. It means always in a triangle when we will take two sides, their sum is always greater than the third side. Suppose we are taking AB and BC. So the sum of AB and BC is always greater than the third side AC. When we are taking these two sides, so BC plus AC always more than third side AB. Same beta AC and AB. The sum of AC and AB two side more than the third side BC. Okay, if any triangle is there, so this property should be valid there. It means if triangle is there, so always sum of two side is more than third side. This property we will use in our 6.4 exercise. Now see the first question of 6.4. The question is it possible to have a triangle with the following side? If any triangle is there, so it is possible that these three sides is there. Let's see. If we will add two sides, according to this property, we will add two sides. Suppose I am taking first two side, 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. It should be more than third side, that is 5 centimeter. But when we will add these, we are getting 5 centimeter here. And here also 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter is not more than 5 centimeter. It is equal to 5 centimeter. That's why we can say no, these three sides are not in any triangle. Means it is not possible that in any triangle these three sides are there. Okay. Now check here. When we are taking these two sides, so 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter more than 7 centimeter. Yes, it is 9 centimeter. So 9 centimeter is more than 7 centimeter. This is first case. Now take another two side, 6 centimeter plus 7 centimeter more than third side 3 centimeter. So 13 centimeter is more than 3 centimeter. Yes, it is. Then next two sides 7 centimeter and 3 centimeter. These two sides sum should be more than third side 6 centimeter. Yes, 10 centimeter is more than 6 centimeter. So in each case you can see beta, the sum of two sides is always more than third side. Yes, we can say yes, these three are the sides of any triangle. Okay. Now see second question. In second question it is given, take any point O in the interior of triangle PQR. Suppose any triangle is PQR. We are taking any point inside the triangle, it is O. Okay. Now the question is OP plus OQ more than PQ? Now check it better. Firstly add O and P and O and Q. Now here you are getting one triangle OPQ. So in triangle OPQ, the side OP and OQ, the sum of OP plus OQ is more than the third side PQ. According to this property, the sum of two sides more than third side. Same beta. In second case, this is first case. In second case, it's asking that OQ plus OR. OQ plus OR is more than third side QR. Now check beta. In this triangle is ORQ. In triangle ORQ, two sides OQ and OR. OQ plus OR is more than third side, that is QR. So yes, according to this property it is correct only. Now in third case it is given that OR plus OP. OR plus OP is more than the third side RP. Now check this side, one more triangle is there, ROP. So in triangle ROP we can say OP plus OR. OR plus OP is more than the third side, that is RP. According to this property, yes, the sum of two sides always more than third side. So all these cases are true only. Now see our third question. In this question it is given that AM is a median of a triangle ABC. See, in this triangle ABC, AM is a median. Children, you are knowing that median is a line segment which is divided equally two parts of the opposite side of the vertex. So if vertex is A and the opposite side is BC, so this AM will divide BC in equal two parts. It means from B to M and M to C, both the parts are equal. So we can say BM is equal to MC, okay, because of this median. Now the question is AB plus BC plus CA is more than 2AM? He's asking, is AB plus BC plus CA is more than 2 times of AM? We have to prove that this is means in this triangle AB, BC and CA sum is more than 2 times of AM. This we will prove. Okay. Now, firstly, beta, you can see due to this AM of median, this triangle is dividing in two other triangles. Okay. So first we will take this side of triangle. It is ABM. So in this triangle, according to this property, the sum of two sides always more than the third side. We will add two sides AB and BM. So AB plus BM is more than third side AM. Okay. Now give number 1 and leave it here. Now take another triangle. The triangle is ACM. In this triangle, again from this according to this property, the sum of two sides always more than the third side. So we will take these two sides AC and MC. The sum of AC and MC is more than third side AM. Now this is number 1 and this is number 2. Now we will add number 1 and 2. So how to add? Left side we will add together and right side we will add together. So AB, from here AB plus BM plus AC plus MC more than, sign will be remain same only, AM plus AM, AM plus AM. Now see beta, AB plus AC plus this BM and MC I am writing together, BM plus MC, and AM 2 times, so we can write 2AM. Okay. Now see, AB plus AC. This BM plus MC, BM plus MC. This BM and MC both are same. Okay. So BM plus MC is the addition of this BC. When we will add BM plus MC, we will get BC. So in this place, BM plus MC, we can write BC. Okay. More than 2AM. Now, what we want to prove? AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA more than 2 times of AM. More than 2 times of AM. So, hence proof. Now, see the last question of this exercise. Question number 6. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what two measures should be length of the third side fall? Okay. Now, two sides of a triangles are given 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. We are finding the third side. The third side is between which measure to which measure. Okay. Now, we know that beta, the sum of two sides of a triangle is always more than the third side. Okay. Now, the third side we are finding, the third side has to be less than the sum of two sides. Means the third side which we are finding, it has to be less than the sum of these two sides. So firstly we will add these two sides. We are getting 27 centimeter. And one more possibility is there. The third side cannot be less than the difference of two sides. Okay. Whatever two sides are given, the third side cannot be less than their difference. So 15 centimeter, 20 centimeters difference is 3 centimeter. So the third side cannot be the less than of 3 centimeter. It means it should be the more than 3 centimeter but less than 27 centimeter. It means the third side will be the third side will be between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Not less than 3 centimeter, not more than 27 centimeter. Okay, it should be between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter.